Hello and welcome to Starborn Science. Today we will be making a classic cobalt complex by oxidizing cobalt 2 to cobalt 3. The complex we will be making is called the Chloropentamminecobalt chloride. Cobalt chloride exists as a hexahydrate in solution and usually as a salt. Like that. So what we will be doing is we will be oxidizing the cobalt with hydrogen peroxide to its +3 state. Now, the chemical formula of the complex we will be making is this. And the cobalt is in the +3 oxidation state, and you'll ask me, well, why does the counter ion, the chlorine ions, are 2 and not 3, since this complex has the cobalt in its +3 oxidation state? Well, it's because of this chloride ion. This chloride ion has a negative charge. Let me give you an idea of how this complex actually looks. So, this complex looks like that. Don't fall. Don't fall. It's gonna fall. No, just. So, yeah. So, the net charge of this whole ion is +2, since this over here has a -1 charge, the cobalt having a +3 charge, and the whole ion having a +2 charge. So that's why we have two chlorine counter ions. So yeah, that being said, let's get cooking. What we will need is 2.5 grams of ammonium chloride, milliliters of concentrated ammonia solution, 25%, five grams of cobalt chloride, which will be added incrementally and form an orange yellow slurry. Well, at least it's not that yellow, it's orange. Sure of the cobalt is added. And then what we're gonna do is take some paper towel, and do not use a rubber stopper for this because it will blow out, and take a syringe with 30% concentrated hydrogen peroxide, slide it in very carefully, and start adding the peroxide dropwise. Now this is the part where the cobalt is being oxidized from its plus 2 states from 2h plus 2 states to h plus 3 states. Now I'm adding a paper towel over there because of the very fine mist that is produced because of the foaming of the reaction, because I don't like carcinogenic mist in my workspace. And now I'm gonna pause here. As you can see already there's something going on, something is changing. I'm gonna pause here and cool down the flask because it's really hot. I'm gonna put it under tap water, cool it down, and I'll be back for the final stage. And so here where this is the final stage of the reaction. Well, we actually precipitate the complex, we acidify the mixture with 10 milliliters of concentrated 37% hydrochloric acid. The fumes that you see are ammonium chloride, it's nothing to be. The solution might boil under its own heat of reaction. And there's already a precipitate forming. Now we will heat the solution to bring the reaction to completion, and then we will filter it. So I'll be back when that's done, and we'll isolate the complex. So here is the precipitate, the crystalline precipitate of the cobalt complex. I will now filter it once it cools down, and then I will dry it. So here we are. This is the complex. I will not let it dry fully because cobalt 3 compounds are really carcinogenic, and I don't want this to get airborne for any reason at all. So I will store it as is, or maybe I will destroy it by reducing it with sodium thiosulfate. And yeah, so that's how it looks like. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and I will see you on the next one.